Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to take all the application or all the apps on your Android mobile backup. So you can just take all the apps, you can just select multiple apps and take backup on your Android mobile using this particular application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to backup all your application at once, you just use this application called Backup and Restore app and SMS. It has been more downloaded on the Play Store. So just open the application now and you will see all apps on the single page. You just need to change this grid view so you can easily select. You can also sort by A to Z and sort by as a small size, also small to large, like that. You can just select the apps that you just need to backup and click on the apps that you just need to backup, like this, and click on the downside. You can see an option called backup. Click on this backup option, which will be automatically backup all the items on your mobile storage. After backupping, if you just need to restore it, you just need to click on the achieve option. So if you uninstall this, you just click on the select option, you just select it and click on restore option, which actually install this again. And if you want to change the path of the on the backupping thing, you just need to click on this. You can see in internal storage, and the path will be mentioned here: storage emulated 0 and app backup and restore. You can find it there, or you can just change to the SD card also. There is also a night mode option here to use this or use this application, and this is so useful application to backup lot of multiple apps at one time. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.